In this tutorial, you'll learn how to curve an image using Canva's design features. To get started, select the custom size option to begin a new creative project. Then choose the document format that best suits your needs, such as US Portrait. Next, click on the Elements section to access design tools. Use the search bar or recent frames to quickly find the frame style you want for curving your image. Here, type in the input field to search for elements that help with curving, like frames or specific design shapes. Select an image from the results to use as the base for your curved effect. If you want to use your own photo, go to Uploads, then select the image you want to use, then upload it. After uploading the image, click it and drop it into the frame. The image will automatically fit the frame. Finally, click Corner Rounding, then drag the slider to adjust the curve until your photo looks the way you want. You've now seen how easy it is to curve images in Canva.